Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing this little Gumball Machine squishy. I love it. I actually started making this a couple of weeks ago, completely forgot I was even making it. Then when I was like going through a load of stuff, you have to ignore the background, I'm still working on it. I found it half done and I was like, I need to complete that. So that's what I've been doing over the past couple of days, just completed this little guy. I absolutely love it. I think it's adorable and I thought you guys might like it too, so I thought I'd share it. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. Just gonna get straight on into it. So to make the Gumball Machine like gumball part, I actually just used this foam ball, which is like a ball for magic tricks. I got a box of these off of eBay quite a while ago. I'm still going through them and I'm finding all sorts of ways to use them, like for cake pop squishies and all sorts. So yeah, this is what I used to make the like circle part of it. With that ball, I took an offcut piece of memory foam and then just like sized it up with a piece that kind of fit better, and then made it into like this rounded trapezium like shape to make the base of the Gumball Machine. Once I was happy with how I cut that out and it was all smoothed and everything, I just glued that onto the foam ball using some Fabri-Tac fabric glue. I always say this is my favourite type glue for squishy making. So once that was fully secure, I then painted the whole thing in a puffy paint mixture. This is just tulip puffy paint mixed in with some white PVA glue and little bits of acrylic paint to tint it. I did paint this whilst it was on a barbecue skewer, as I find I can paint the whole entire piece when, you know, it's actually on a skewer, and then I don't have to leave it dry on one side and the other side, so that's what I went ahead and did. So fast forward to today, I finally finished off the piece. I had painted it in this like off minty kind of white colour, and to add on like all the details and stuff like that, I just used a purple, a light blue and a mint shade, and just put circles on it like to kind of imitate gumballs being inside the machine. So I made sure like some were in behind each other and I just layered them up. Once I was happy with the gumball part, I then moved on to painting the base. So I chose to do it in this like really nice pastel pink colour, like, you know, using all my favourite colours. Painted the bottom and then painted a circle on the top to act as like the little opening of the Gumball Machine. I of course decided to put a cute kawaii face on, so I did it in a dark brown rather than black, just to make it a little bit softer. I'm kind of liking doing this recently. I just painted that straight on, the eyes first and then the mouth. I did think that I was going to do like this mouth as the final piece, but then I figured it needed to look a little bit more jolly, so I turned it into like an open mouth, you know, that kind of design that I usually do. For the kind of dispenser part of the Gumball Machine, I used the tulip metallics in the silver, painted that on. This dries way more opaque than when it's like painted on, so this is actually only one layer. Once it dried down, it dried down so opaque. Once that was dry, I then took a darker shade of pink, added it into like the inside of the mouth to make the tongue, and then put a little kind of bit down underneath that silver dispenser part to make it look like there was like a hole in the Gumball Machine. And then I just added some more silver details on with the same paint again, just making a little turn bit, a little bit at the top, and some little details to the front piece. So this is obviously how the Gumball Machine squishy has turned out. I absolutely love it. I love all the colours that I've chosen, so like the pastel pinks, the blues, the mints, the purples in there. I think it's adorable. Love the silver accents. It squishes really nicely. I love it. I think it's so sweet and just so cute. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up before leaving. I would love it if you hit subscribe, because like I said, almost at 220, really want to get there. Anyway, I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye.